Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have xy equals to 20, yz equals to also 20, zx equals to 30. So if you have these three simultaneous equations, and here we need to find the values of x, y and z from these three equations. So here in the first step, we call this is the equation number one, we call this is equation number two, we call this is our equation number three. And now here first we need to multiply these three equations here, so that we multiply equation number one with equation number two and equation number three. So here we need to multiply these three equations. It means that we multiply the left hand sides with the left hand side and all the right hand side with right hand side. So when we multiply its left hand sides, it will be written as xy multiply yz multiplied by zx equals to here we have 10 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 30. So here we can just multiply all of these three equations, and now here you see that we need to rearrange multiplication of these terms. Here we multiply x with x, so it will be written as x multiplied by x, and we can just make the pair of y with y and z with z equals to, this is our 10 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 30. So further in the next step, you see here we have x times of x equals to x square, y times of y equals to y square, z times of z equals to z square, and this is 10 times of 20 equals to 200 multiplied by 30. So here first you see here we can just apply the square on these three terms. Here we will just combine the square of all of these values. So when you combine the squares, it will be written as x, y, z and its whole square equals to, here we need to multiply this 200 with 30. So we consider this is our one digit number, this is our two digit number. So here when you multiply this 0 with this complete number, we will get 0. When you multiply this 3 with these number, you get here 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0 and 3 twos are 6. So we will obtain here 6,000 only. And now here in the next step, we need to take the square root on both of the sides in order to eliminate this square sign in the left hand side. So that in order to take the square root, we write it as xyz whole square and its square root equals to square root of 6,000, and these two and square root are gone, and we will get here x, y and z equals to square root of 6,000. So now here in order to simplification of terms, we first need to make the factors of 6,000. So that we will make the factors of 6,000 by using this division method. So you see here, this is 2 3s are 6, 0 and zeros. So again you have 2 1s are 2 and carry 1, 2 5s are 10 and 0 0. So it will be divided by 3 or 2. So we divide it by 2, 2 7s are 14, we carry 1, 2 5s are 10 and 0. So again we divide it by 2, 2 3s are 6, carry 1, 2 7s are 14, carry 1, 2 5s are 10. And now we divide it by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Again we have 3 now we divide it by 5, so it will becomes 5 2s are 10, we carry 2 and 5 5s are 25 and 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So here we will just make the pairs of the terms. So we have the pairs of the terms are x, y and z equals to, here you have, this is the one pair, this is the second pair, we write it as 2 square multiplied by 2 square, and here we have the square of 5, this is 3 only, and we have one pair of 5 square, and this is the 1 5. Okay, so here we do these steps in order to make the less calculations. So here we have x, y, and z equals to, here you cancel these two and square root are gone, these are gone, and these are gone. So we, after cancellation these squares, we get 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, and its whole square root equals to 3 multiplied by 5. So you obtain here 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20 into square root of 3, 5 the 15, and we will obtain here x, y, and z equals to 20 times of square root of 15. So here because our target is to find the values of x, y, and z, and now here from equation number 1 we have, here we call this is our equation number 4. So in equation number 1 we have xy equals to 10. So we can replace this xy equals to 10. So equation number 4 is implies that 10 times of z is equals to 20 times of square root of 15. So here we find the value of z for this. Now we move this 10 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 10 times of square root of 15 divided by 10. So this 10 is cancelled out by this 10, and we will get here z equals to square root of 15. So this is the value of z which we get here, and now in order to find the values of x and y, we need equation number 2 here, so that from equation number 2 we have the value of, from equation number 2 is yz equals to 20, and now we put this y and z equals to 20, and it will be written as so here we have little mistake, this is over 20, so we will just replace this 20, and when you divide it by 10 it will becomes here 2 times the square root of 15. Okay, sorry for that mistake. Here we can just put this value here, it will be written as 20 times of x equals to 20 times of square root of 15. Now you see here this 20 and this 20 are gone, and you get here the value of x equals to square root of 15. And now finally we have in order to find the value of y, we need equation number 3 here, so that from equation number 3 we have zx equals to 30. So we can put here x and z equals to 30, so we get here 30 times of y is equals to 20 times of square root of 15. So here we need some simplifications. We move this 30 to the right hand side, we get y equals to 20 times of square root of 15 divided by 30. So you get here to 10 2s are 20 and 10 3s are 30. We get here 2 times of square root of 15 divided by 3. So this is the value of y. These are the three values of x, y which we need here. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.